Hello, Sudoku friends. Yes, it's weekend. Yes. In the daily newspaper on Saturday, March the 13th, 2021. In this additional with extra Sudokus, we have here Sudoku with a 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have here Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, Binary number 1, and a Binary and number 2. And today I only do 4 puzzles. The 3 stars, the 4 stars I will do, and a Tectonic and a Binary I will solve. And maybe tomorrow the rest of the puzzles or Sudokus. But the first one is a 3 stars Sudoku and number 2465. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25. I have already counted the printed digits. So let's get started. All right. In this big square, let's get started. Yes, in this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. We have the 1 and the 4 in this column, so no 1 and the 4 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. The other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 8 and 5. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in this box. There 7, no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. All right. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. All right. Let me see. Yeah. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in the third column. Those numbers are the 3, the 5, and the 3, 5, and the 8. Yeah. 3, 5, and the 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 3, 5, and the 8. That means, what are those missing numbers? 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8. Those numbers are the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2 are missing. 1 and the 2 are missing. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. All right. So we have a 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row. 1 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1. All right. All right. Then the number. Let me see. 791. Okay. 6. Okay. What number can I use? 5. Let me see. 2. Okay. Interesting. We have 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So on the first row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 5 and 7. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. The 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 6 is missing. We see here the 6, so no 6 there. We see here 2, so no 2 there. So the 2 and the 6 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those boxes. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. Alright. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Alright. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then 5, 3, and 8. Okay. 8. 7, 3, 4, and a 5. 5. Yes, in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is 5. We see here 5, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. I will mark those 2 boxes so you can follow it easier. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, 3 and 4. These 2 boxes in this row for the numbers 6 and 9. Do we have a 9 here? No. Let me mark those again up here. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those numbers are 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. The 5 is missing. And the 8 is missing. 4, 5, 8. 4, 5, 8. 4, 5, 8. And look, we have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 4 and 8. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and an 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8. Let me mark them again. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. Let me mark them again. We have a double 3. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be an 8. And that box should be a 3. Alright. 9 and a 3, 9 and a 3, 9 and a 6, 9 and a 6, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Yeah. How about these 2 numbers in this row? In the second row for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and 7 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 3 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, last column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 8 and 4. No, 4 we have 8 and 9. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. No. Need to wait. 2 and a 5, 2 and 5. Alright. So, which number? 8, 8. 8. 8, 8. Yeah. 8. 8. Yes, in the middle row we have 3 missing numbers. Well, actually 4. But one of the missing number here in the middle row is the 8. We see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in that box. Here also an 8, so no 8 in this box. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Alright. Oh, wait. I made a mistake. It's not the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 here. It's the 8 and the 4. 8 and the 4 are missing. 8 and the 4. So this could be a wrong number. Not the 3, but the 8. Wow, I've corrected on time. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So there will be 3 in the middle row. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. So the 8, 4, and 3 are missing. 8, 4, and a 3. We have a 4 here. No. We have a 3 here. We have a 3 here. No. Okay. So 8, 4, and a 3 are missing. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. So the only place for the 3 should be here. Alright. So the 8 and the 4, 8 and the 4. We have a 8 here, so no 8 there. So the 8 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. Alright. 2 boxes left in this big square. We have here 9 and a 6. So those 2 numbers should be the 2 and the 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. Now we have a 2 here. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. And this box should be a 6. Alright. Now we have a 6 there. So this box cannot be 6 anymore. This box should be a 6. And this box should be a 9. Alright. Now we have a 9 there. So this box cannot be a 9 anymore. This box should be a 9. Okay. And this box should be a 3. Alright. Okay. Yeah, 2 numbers left in the last column. 1, 2, 3 for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 5. I remember we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. Finished in 15 minutes. All right. Great. Sudoku with 3 stars. Made a one small error. Otherwise, I will be faster than 15 minutes. All right. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. A 4-star Sudoku. So prepare for the 4-star Sudoku in a minute. See you then. Bye-bye for now.